Earthlink Webmail, what you must know. Earthlink is one of the most popular email providers. The company has been around since 1994 and offers several services for its customers to choose from. One of their most popular offerings, Earthlink Webmail, is an online email service that allows you to access your email account anywhere there's an internet connection. How do you sign up for Earthlink Webmail? To sign up for Earthlink Webmail, head over to Earthlink's website, which is https://webmail1.earthlink.net/. Click on the email sign up button. Once you're on Earthlink's email service page, click on the link that says Get Started with Email. On Earthlink Email Services page, enter your account information. After entering your Earthlink email address, a password, and your first and last name, you will have to select a plan. Earthlink lets users have 4 types of account plans: Basic, Standard, Deluxe, and Ultimate. Once you've chosen your Earthlink Webmail plan, click on Continue to sign up. Earthlink will automatically take you to the Earthlink Webmail login page. Earthlink also offers a 14-day free trial of their Earthlink email services, which you can choose to cancel before it ends. This is available for users who want to try out Earthlink's services before committing to them later on. Check out the complete article below description.